The Jamaica College Invitational headlines three meets scheduled for the opening weekend of high school track and field in the new year. As we hear in this report from Jeremy Brown, the meet, which makes a return after a one-year absence, will feature at least one new event.
It will be all protocols observed when the gates open for the 28th staging of the Jamaica College Invitational Meet at the Ashenheim Stadium on the school grounds on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew on Saturday. The meet makes a return after a one-year absence, as it was not held in 2021 after organizers failed to get government approval because of COVID-19 concerns. But with COVID-19 still an ever-present danger, Meet Director Ian Forbes says all is in place for the safety of the athletes and officials at Saturday's meet, which will be held without spectators.
Well, the athletes are pretty much vaccinated, the ones competing to be vaccinated. Other COVID protocols do apply, and there is a no spectator directive as well from the authorities. So it's the usual COVID-19 protocols, it's COVID marshals, compliance officers. You'll have assessors as well from the sanctioning body, the J3As, all there to ensure regulations are strictly adhered to.
President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, Garth Gale, says that the local governing body has been liaising with meet organizers as they look to stage more meets this year compared with the 2021 season.
We have already had two meets in December, and we will be having our first on Saturday at the Jamaica College Pure Water Track Meet. So we have met with the organizers, and we have given them the stipulations that needs to be met. And our competitions commission is working assiduously with the various meet organizers to ensure a successful staging of track and field events across the length and breadth of Jamaica.
In the meantime, javelin will be the new event added to this year's program at the JC Invitational, which will provide a wide array of disciplines for the athletes.
In terms of field events, shot put, javelin, high jump, long jump. We have a range of sprint and middle distances, 100 meters, all the sprint hurdles, 400-meter hurdles, the 3,000, 5,000, 800 meters, and 1,500 meters. It's a pretty wide array of events.
In adherence with the COVID-19 protocols, the competition schedule will see girls compete between 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. and the boys between 1 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Meanwhile, two other meets will be contested on Saturday: the Ted Dwyer Classics and Pentathlon Challenge at Excelsior High, and the First Chance Meet to be held at the Herbert Morrison High School in St. James. Jeremy Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.